How quickly things change. Today we are looking at doing some pre-emergent in the lawn. As you guys know, a couple weeks ago we had a lot of snow and ice, and the soil temperatures were about 32 degrees, and we were not planning on doing pre-emergent anytime soon. And then 2 weeks later, actually a couple days ago, the temperature was about 74 degrees, and that warmed things up very quickly. Today we're about 55, 60 degrees, and today the soil temperatures are hovering at about 53 degrees. So it's time to put down that pre-emergent that we've been talking about for quite a while. But before we get to that, let me share with you guys some news. Well, it looks like we are putting our house on the market. Yeah, it's kind of a last minute decision. Yeah, we've been talking about buying a specific house near downtown Franklin for over a year, and the owner of the house finally decided that she wanted to sell. We kind of given up hope on buying this house. It's a smaller house. It's not as new, but it's going to afford us a lot of opportunity to do some really cool projects. The lawn there is pretty much a mess, and that's going to be its own set of projects. And I'm supposed to do an inspection there tomorrow. I'm going to try and get some video footage of what the yard looks like to give you guys an idea of what's coming up. But in the meantime, so because we are selling the house, and I do want to be a good seller and set them up for success going forward, I do want to put down the pre-emergent for them. I won't probably have time to get pre-emergent that's going to be effective for the new house, but I will get it in as soon as I can. It'll be a little late, but it'll be better than nothing. So today what we're going to work on is getting the pre-emergent down here, and you know, probably one of the last projects that I'm going to do. I had a bunch of projects that I had lined up for the yard, including some drainage issues, and to get the putting green done. So we're going to say goodbye to the future putting green and call it a past putting green. And who knows, maybe we'll do something at the new house. There's not enough room at that house, so we're gonna have to pass on the putting green. But that's okay. We've got other things that we're gonna be doing. There's lots of opportunity over there, and hopefully I'll get to share it with you guys pretty soon. In the meantime, we're gonna maintain this yard, and hopefully it'll green up before we close on April 15th, and the new homeowners will benefit from it. So let's get to some pre-emergent, shall we? All right, so the pre-emergent I'm using is the same one I used in the fall. This is a product that I got from Yard Mastery. I will leave a link in the description. The main and active ingredient for the pre-emergent is Prodiamine, and that works really, really well for me. So I'm going to continue to do that. My suggestion for everybody is just to do the bag right. As you can see on that bag right there, I have some leftover from the fall, so I'll be using that. And I went ahead and got another 45-pound bag because I'll just keep rotating these in the fall and spring. All right, so a 50-pound bag is going to treat about 8,000 square feet. I'm at 6,500 square feet, which means that I'm going to use about 3/4 of a bag. I've got about 1/3 of a bag left, and I'll probably use a little over half of what's in this brand new bag, and that should take care of my whole lawn. Always calibrate your spreader. For my spreader, the setting is supposed to be at about a 3.5, but you obviously want to go ahead and calibrate that and make sure that you're actually putting down as much as the bag says you should be putting down. So the good news with this product and Prodiamine in general is that you can't burn your grass, so you can't put down too much, but you will spend more money than you want to if you just start throwing this stuff around and not measuring and making sure that you get the right amount. The other thing is, and we'll talk about this a little bit later, is to make sure that this gets watered in. We are a cloudy day. It's supposed to be raining. So that's part of the reason why I'm trying to get this down today and make sure that we take advantage of all that rain. So let's get to it.
The three of us, we are soldiers. No, we never blush. We are soldiers. The three of us, we are soldiers. My girls are better than your girls, 'cause they're not really girly girls, like a girly girl. They're really cool, not that shallow. Cool, not that shallow. My girls are better than your girls, 'cause they're not really girly girls, like a girly girl. They're really cool.
So that's pretty much it. That is all I have for you today. Like I said, I want to make sure I got that pre-emergent down before it gets too warm. Soil temperature is 53 degrees. You want to put this stuff down anytime it reaches above 50 and somewhere between 50 and 60. So I think I'm still pretty good. I am seeing some weeds out here and there. Nothing to be alarmed about. Overall, the yard is in pretty good shape, but time will tell. Time that I don't have, but that's okay. I really love this lawn. I've really loved seeing the transformation over the last 3 years to get it to where it is today. And it'll be nice to not have this hill, I'm not gonna lie. But I am excited about, you know, the new owners and what they're gonna get to do with it moving it forward. If they do anything, they may just leave it alone and let it be like everybody else's lawn. And that's okay, because they're the owners and I'm not. So anyway, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope you enjoyed hanging out with me today. It did get a little chilly, and but you know, it is what it is. So if you like this video, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and if you want to be notified of future videos, don't forget to hit that bell, and we will see you on the next one. See y'all. Have a good night.